it's Amy. Look what I made.
I'm hosting a dinner tonight. All my friends had different ideas for what to eat. So we decided to pick a name to choose what we are making today. Oh, it's Bam shrimp. And I did some research online and made my own version with crispy and crunchy shrimp, creamy, sweet and spicy Bam sauce on top of fluffy hot dog bun.
Making the Bam shrimp sauce, I have mayo, Thai sweet chili sauce, sriracha. Only 3 ingredients, so easy.
Simply add 3 ingredients together. Mix everything until well combined.
I'm going to prepare the shrimp now.
Drying the shrimp using a paper towel and press it lightly. Remove the tail.
Now I'm going to fry the Bam shrimp. Cornstarch, garlic powder, 2 eggs, and some black pepper.
Making the batter, mix cornstarch, garlic powder, and black pepper together. Mix everything well combined. Beat the 2 eggs. Dip the shrimp in the egg first and coating with the dry ingredients. Quick break. I'm going to have one fun question for my friend. Why is it called Bam shrimp? Well, who answered it right will get extra hot dog. Now the shrimp coated nicely. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the coating hydrates slightly.
Ready to fry it.
I'm going to make twice frying. It will make it extra crispy.
I'm going to make the hot dog bun using this New England hot dog pan. Here I have bread flour, milk, butter. I combine sugar and salt, yeast.
Combine flour, sugar, salt, and milk first. Add yeast. Add the butter.
The dough is ready. I'm going to check the window test. Yeah, I think that's good.
Today I'm using cup method to proof my dough. Add the dough until it reaches quarter cup. Let it proof for 40 minutes.
The first proof is ready. Look, showing half cup.
Press the dough, let the air bubble out. Roll the dough into round shape.
Let it rest for 15 minutes.
Now roll the dough into rectangular shape. Brush the oil in the mold. Move the dough into the mold and press to fit the mold.
Now going to have the second proof. Another 40 minutes. Second proof is done, ready to bake.
Bake it until golden brown.
The bun is ready.
Cut into equal size.
I am going to coat it with Bam sauce now. Now everything's ready. Let's plate up.
Cut it in between the bun, don't cut it through. Add the lettuce on the bottom. Then add the bang shrimp on top of it. Some chives as garnish. Sprinkle the chives. Wow, it looks beautiful and delicious. Oh, I gotta go. My friends are here. I will make more recipe like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.